Everybody, y'all doing well today? I'm okay, just tired. Always tired. Maybe if I went into a coma, I would actually maybe not be tired when I came out. At least for a couple of days, hopefully. Uh, it's been an okay day. Work was okay, just I've been entering so much stuff into the computer. It gets tedious at times and just makes you even more tired. But at least tomorrow is Friday and have a little break. I have sold 5 or 6 things today, which has been a whole lot better than my recent 7 or 8 days. So maybe that will keep on happening. Anyways, that's pretty much all I've got. So if you want to support the channel, links below, and we'll see you all.